Where's it going? Where'd it go? Well, that train better go fast. What is it doing? It's behind you. Oh, he's gonna outsmart it. He's like, I'll just wait here. Ah! Oh, the engine got away. Ah!
Don't eat it.
Uh-oh, here comes the little engine that would. It could. Let's see if it escapes him. He doesn't even notice it. He's like, I got 3, I don't need the other one. Oh, maybe I do. I don't think it's gonna live. Ah! That's so cute.